Oh, good morning, everybody. It's Dubs. Welcome in, and today we are again out at Gilly Park. It is 7:30 in the morning. I couldn't sleep. Uncomfortable. My back is a giant bag of bones. It just doesn't like to sit straight. But either way, woke up early, took the boys out for a walk this morning because today is not about a recap from Gilly Park. We did that yesterday. Today is about the Micheal Stores event that we have going on in Toms River. So, corporate handed down the plan. We're doing a knit and sew event in the store today. We have been tasked with finding a food vendor and finding some local crafters to showcase stuff as well as do some demos ourselves. So, the team got together. We have cotton candy vendor showing up today at 11 o'clock to set up for our noon to 3 event. We then have a crochet vendor who will be showing up at the same time to show up their stuff and also set up their craft. And then we're going to have our fabric display set up with one of our associates running the fabric demo. We brought extra staff on so that there's many people in the store. We're going to have as much staff as possible to service as many people as possible. It's going to be a banner day today in the store. Getting the associates amped, and I was trying to rally some schools, but getting through the Board of Ed is really hard. Like, you can't just say, hey, I want to do something good and showcase the kids in your school without having some questions and forms. So, all right, fine. It's okay. We'll move into the next one with this. I want to start building into these things. I'm actually leaning into seeing if Michael's will let us put up near the bathrooms on the wall. It's a big blank wall. A giant community billboard where people can post things like nonprofit events, county fairs, stuff where community can get together. I want our store to start being a hub that brings people in. The crafting community is small. We can become bigger. And I think Michael's will see that. So that's basically the main goal, is we're going to aim for that. We're going to try and see if we can't make amazing things happen today with a simple little thing of inviting our Joann's customers to come join our family. So we hope to see you in Toms River today. Noon to 3.